This is the ADHD Life Command Center. It's a calm, shame-free system that holds your whole life in one place. Tasks, habits, bills, appointments, the lot. So you're not carrying it all in your head. The idea is simple. Capture first, sort later, and pick a top 3 for the day. There are no streaks to break and nothing to fall behind on. Today is the heart of it. Everything you need this morning in one glance, and it fills itself in from the other tabs. Across the top, 5 things open for today, 4 of them flagged due now, for notes waiting in your brain dumped to be sorted, and 3 of 7 habits done so far. Down the left, this week at a glance, 12 tasks open, 2 done, 6 bills due soon totaling $392, therapy in 2 days, a magnesium refill in 5, and 5 wins logged already. And on the right, your top 3 for the day, finish the Thursday slide deck, pick up your prescription, reply to the landlord. If nothing else happens, those 3 make it a good day. When something's swirling around in your head, it goes here. Unsorted is completely fine. The task matrix is your full list, and you don't have to organize it by hand. You just mark whether something is urgent and important. Habits work differently here on purpose. You tick a day when you do the thing, meds, moving your body, water, a wind down, 10 minutes of tidying, and the choral outline shows you today. Each habit has a gentle weekly goal rather than a perfect run, so 3 of 7 done today is genuinely fine. There are no streaks to break. If you fall off, that's just part of it. You simply pick it back up tomorrow, and nothing turns red or scolds you for the gap. Bills and subscriptions live in one place, and the days until column counts down so nothing sneaks up on you. Car insurance is due in 1 day, the streaming bundle in 2, electric in 3, 6 bills due within the next week, $392 in all, flagged in coral. On the left, there's a simple budget too, $4,200 of income, $3,600 out, which leaves $600 to save or spend this month. It's the plain English version, no formulas to wrestle with. Last stop, your well-being, all in one calm tab. And that's the tour. The rhythm is gentle. Empty your head into the brain dump. Let the task matrix sort itself, tick a habit or 2, and glance at today to see it all rolled up. 20 connected tabs in all. It works in both Excel and Google Sheets, and there's nothing here to fall behind on.